Vogue cover Instagram add yours template. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to our lab apps. In this video I'll show you how you can do this viral trend right here and also where you can find it. So keep on watching. So first of all, you will have to go to your Instagram app, go to your search bar and search for Ali and John YTT. This is my Instagram profile, and here you will find all of your add yours templates and stickers that you want. If you go to my highlights, here you will find that template. So click on that. Now tap until you find it. So there we have it. Now click on the add yours button. And then you can go to your uploads and choose a photo that you like for this cover. I will go with this one, and then once you're happy with your story, you just have to share it by clicking on this button right here. So guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like it, you can subscribe to our channel, and you can also comment in the comment section down below if you have any questions, and I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible and help you out. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.